have here today?
Ellie.
And?
Suzette.
Suzette, you trust me to throw you out of an airplane today?
Yes. Debating.
I'm not going with you, so you got to trust this guy over here. So, whose idea was this?
Not ours.
She's pointing the fingers everywhere else. So it's somebody else's fault if we don't make it, right?
Yeah. Kate's birthday.
Unless we don't. Any last words, final comments, or confessions?
Happy birthday, Kate!
Happy birthday. Next time we see you guys, we're going to be blasting off in the plane. It's always the same for me. Computer, tablet, phone. Take it all, burn it, bury it in the desert. My wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock a skydive and have some fun out there. Here we go. Oh, yeah. One more time. Yeah. What do you think of this?
Craziest thing I've ever done.
You did amazing. You have fun?
Yeah.
Let's pull this one down. We'll turn around.
Oh my.
Right?
Okay, yeah.
Just feel that. You okay? Not getting nauseous, are we? Pull the left one down. Yeah. Look at your mountains out there. Hands up. All the way up. Hands all the way up. Come on. You don't have to step. So, you made it to the ground.
I did.
You jumped out. What do you think?
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You did great.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next time I'll let you open the parachute.
Okay.
Give me a high five. Awesome skydive. Woohoo! Skydive Colorado Springs.
Oh.